So my wife, for her 50th birthday present, she got notified she had a triple negative breast cancer. It was a really tough time. Hang on. And then about the time she was about fully recovered, I got cancer. Had to go through the full chemo, radiation. It makes you grateful. My name is Douglas Epley. I served in the United States Air Force. I always wanted to go into the military ever since I was a kid. I went in really young. I was 17. I was stationed in Texas, Korea, and also served in Desert Storm.
He served our country so well, but I nominated him simply because he's got such great heart. When I heard that I had cancer, I looked at him and I said, "This is your chance, pal. If you ever want to go, now is the time to go, because it's going to get really hard and heavy." And he said to me, "Nope, I married you for better or worse, in sickness and in health." So Douglas is a good man.
Yeah, I got a voicemail from Kelly and said, "Hey, this is not a joke. This is for real. Call me back. You've won a free system."
And we're looking at each other going, no way. This cannot possibly be happening to us.
It's legit. Here I am. I'm still in shock. It actually brought some tears to my eyes that somebody would do something like this for us.
My name is Armando Silva. I've been with Semper Solaris for 2 years now. We're installing a solar system, 20 panels. I feel proud to be a part of our team here to give back to our local veterans.
In the last year or so, our electric rates have about tripled. So I'm really excited about my electric bill going down.
Our next door neighbors got solar panels and they have saved a ton of money on their bill. Instead of paying anywhere from $400 to $600 a month, they're getting an actual rebate check. So we're looking forward to getting the same thing.
I think it'll change our lives. We'll have a little bit of extra money, so we'd like to fix the place up, make it our dream home. Thank you so much. We really appreciate this.